A smile is a prelude to a happy melody. It's musical notes that make the world around you dance with happiness and love. There are so many smiles, and each tells a different story. A story about a spark of joy that escapes from your smile to brighten someone else's life. A story about an effortless gift that travels from you to her, to him, to them, and many miles more. It's joy, it's healing, it's warmth. So smile big and smile more, because your smile is the sun on a gloomy day. Dentakay, we make you smile.